Greetings. I'm just here on a hike in some pretty rugged, rocky country, and as often happens, we had a sandal blow out. It's a perfect chance to demonstrate what we like to call, oh, look at that, this came completely apart. We like to call our sandal survival kit. I'll demonstrate it for you here. It's a homemade thing, it's nothing too fancy. It consists of, as you can see, we have plastic baggie, we've got a lighter, and a little miniature sort of pointy, like a screwdriver and all that sort of thing. A bunch of like paracord, and of course some band-aids. And it'll all make sense in just a moment here. So what we're going to do is use the paracord to sort of lash it back together, as you can sort of see what we've got going on here. So we're going to need to make a couple of holes through here, and run the paracord through it. It's a pretty simple process. Usually what we'll do is use this and heat it up. And we're out here in the wind, it might not work as well as we like it to. But we're going to heat this up as best as we can. The wind is just going to get us, isn't it? You're going to do your best to get it hot so it makes a nice round hole. You can see there's crud all over it. Ooh, and it's getting hot. One of the conveniences of carrying this kit is that you always do have a lighter. You can hear it sizzling, so it's definitely hot enough. And it went right through. Boom, no problem. And it might still even be hot enough to do a second one. And right through. Now, that's not going to be a perfect hole necessarily right off the bat, but it's a start. You want to sort of worry it a bit and make it bigger if you can. So we're going to need to poke the paracord through it. And of course, there needs to be a way through here and a way through here, like that. And then we're going to pick out our paracord. And we're going to use a stylish black here. That's pretty nice. That'll do. And we're just going to shove it through. You may use the lighter sometimes to make a little pointy tail. It didn't go through on this, so it pokes through a little more easily. We got to go through there. Not a problem. Same thing over here. And what we're probably going to do is we want to tie it here, so we'll just shove it through. And you can kind of see it's a pretty self-explanatory process, but when your sandals blow out, especially when you can't afford nice ones like we can. These are several seasons old now. Sorry about that. We're well out of the way of the camera. These are kind of worn out, you know. They're not exactly brand new anymore. And we've been patching them and shoe gooing them, keeping them going. They've lasted some pretty incredible hikes, doing a lot of rock climbing and such things. It's hard to get it through sometimes. There we go. And it's pretty self-explanatory process again. And it's really nice to be able to fix something up when you're on the trail. Not have to worry about, oh, what am I going to do? So there we go. And then, obviously, just going to put a couple of good fat knots in there. Pull out our trusty knife and cut off that extra. And we'll use the lighter to melt that down. If we can get it out of the wind, this will help, if you can, this will help keep the knot from undoing. And of course, the wind's going to come up right this moment. It knows, Mother Nature knows what I'm trying to do, and she says, hey, it's not going to be that easy. But as you can guess, we've done this quite a few times. You can buzz right through it, and this is the third or fourth pair of sandals we've done this sort of process on. And you can kind of squish those down a little bit, kind of help them so they can't go back through. Almost there. And you can see that's pretty much it. In the space of about 5 minutes, We have a wearable sandal, and we're back on the trail. All with a little homemade, handy-dandy sandal survival kit. And so we're going to pack her up, make sure we pick up all of our scraps, and we're off. Thank you so much for joining us as we demonstrate our homemade sandal survival kit in Oregon Canyon Country.